This is a video product review of the BRISON Indoor Bug Zapper. This is an electronic mosquito killer, a fly trap. This will work on 800 square feet, which is a large space in the average size home. You can use this to lure insects, mosquitoes, flies, moths, fruit flies, bugs, wasps, whatever. It also has a UV light. Now this is something that you look on the bottom over here, you can hang this from hooks on the wall if you want to. We have a switch on the bottom that you can pull to turn this unit on and off, so that if it's mounted high up on your back porch, you can still reach by pulling the lanyard. This is like the old bug zappers from about 20-30 years ago, except it's more attractive, more compact, more effective. You hang this outside on your porch. You can leave this on your counter indoors. This is not recommended for outdoors, so make sure you only use it in a dry area and do not leave this out overnight or when there's moisture. This is wonderful in the kitchen when you go shopping, you buy fruit and you get all those fruit flies flying around your house all the time. You don't know how you're going to get rid of them. They are there for weeks at a time because all the eggs are hatched, and they might be in your disposal, in your drain, in your sink, all over the fruit, and there's no way to catch them. You use a bug zapper and it should take care of the problem. I don't have any bugs in here right now, but let me show you how this works. I'll put the little pencil in here and we'll get a zap, so I'll be able to show you what this will do for a bug. I do not recommend doing this at home, but this is just for example purposes only. So the way this works is a bug will fly in here, and if it touches any two vertical rods, it will get zapped and your bug will be gone. So let's try to put the pencil in here and put it against two different pieces at the same time. We should hear a little zap. That was it. Now if you had a bug, if you had a wasp, if you had a mosquito, and it was flying into this thing and it flew through two of these pieces, it would get zapped. And then after you were done, all you do is go to the bottom tray over here, pull out the tray, remove your bugs. You can clean that up with a garden hose. You don't want that in your sink. Clean that up with the garden hose, slide it back in there. And that is how you take care of all those pests that fly around that are annoying and dangerous, carrying lots of germs and unhealthy bacteria. Make sure you click on the affiliate link in the video description. Order the BRISON Bug Zapper. Very easy to use. Again, it's got the pull switch. You can see it's got the night light over there, which is also the zapper. And it's got the pull tray. This is an indoor bug zapper, so if you were going to carry it outside and put it on a table while you're eating, just know it is indoor. Don't keep it around moisture. Don't keep it around rain. Don't put your hands in it. Don't keep this around children or pets. This is a high voltage thing for zapping the bugs, but it is a very wonderful thing to have on your kitchen counter. When I buy my fruits and veggies and all those fruit flies start flying around, I plug this in and it takes care of the problem.